I love my Anova Precision Oven, and here's why.
Juggling 3 kids can get hectic at times. Meals in the house are usually simple, but yet delicious. With the Anova Precision Oven on steam mode at 100 degrees Celsius and 100% steam, healthy breakfast can be ready in 10 minutes. Here's another common leftover favorites, fried chicken. Simply follow the steps to reheating crispy food on the Anova app and let the machine do the work.
They say she has pots full of glue.
Get notifications from the Anova app when the food is ready, and bon appetit.
You want some? Yummy?
When it comes to prepping dinner, I like to sit on sous vide mode. The bagless sous vide option makes it simple and easy to cook sous vide at home. Cooking is done and you're not home? Don't worry. The Anova app allows you to control the oven remotely wherever you are anytime. Juicy, crispy, golden brown chicken legs on top, and the verdict?
Yummy!
The Anova Precision Oven, a home kitchen's best friend.